Hey guys, welcome to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I have another great daily deal that just arrived from the Green Fairy Quilt Shop. If you're unfamiliar with them, they have it may not always change daily, but they have some really great prices on a lot of their pre-cuts. If you're new to the channel, I do like to find and shop deals, and I absolutely love getting to share them with you guys. And if you have any deals you want to share back, please comment, let me know. I'd love to hear about them. This was a daily deal that they had on Green Fairy, and a lot of times I just kind of check in and see what's going on, and this was something I was really excited to get to add to my stash and share with you guys. So let's jump right on in. I'm looking for an easy corner to get in. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe another layer. Got to be extra careful with all this fabric. We certainly don't want to cut any of our new items. You guys, look, it's like a little peek. Look at that rainbow. How fun is that? Ugh, it's so heavy. Okay, so you know me, my Green Fairy pen, and oh look, I ordered myself another seam ripper. I kind of tend to just keep those in the cart all the time so that no matter what, I've always got a new one on hand. It's embarrassing, but true. Okay, so all I ordered in this one was this one fat quarter bundle. As you can see, it's got a rainbow of colors here. This is called Texture, and it is a Riley Blake design, and it just has a lot of these different fabrics that have this texture pattern on them. So I picked this up. This was a fat quarter bundle, and it was right at $89 before tax or anything. And I don't see how many fat quarters are in here. So we'll just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why can't I count? Fat quarter bundle. Yeah, it doesn't say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, I could be wrong, but I counted 50. And you know me, if I'm looking at a fat quarter grouping, I don't want to spend more than $3 per fat quarter. So at $3 a fat quarter, that would have been $150, and this came in at $89. So to me, this is a really great deal. It is a really great filler group. I will add some pictures to the end of this video so you guys can kind of see what they are. I'm probably just going to open these up and put them in my stash because they'll just coordinate with everything that I've got. So it's a really cute bundle. This would make a fun quilt on its own, but I think I'm just going to add it in. So let me pull back and get you guys some good photos of this. Okay, you guys, so this is our bundle. It's called Texture, and it is, I mean, look at how much fabric that is. Let me center it. Look at how much fabric that is. That is so many fat quarters, and they are all these just different colors so that we can get it to match any quilt that you're working on. We've got reds with a kind of a rust brick color. We've got red on red. We've got fire engine red. We've got red with cream. We've got red with white. This is more of a brick with white. Then we move into the pinks, pink on pink, and then peaches. I mean, I think no matter what quilt you're working on, you probably could find a blender in this grouping. We've got all these pumpkins, and then orange, yellows, yellow and white, yellow and cream. And so some of them have a little bit more contrast than others, but I am really pleased with this bundle. And these are really high quality fabrics, and they will mix into any quilt, and they were far less than $3 a pop. So that works for me. I get into some sages and some light greens, little robin's egg. So many different colors in here. That's almost a not spruce. Why can't I think of that? It's like a dusty blue. And then we've got navy, more kind of coneflower. And then we'll move into our purples. There's just so much versatility in this bundle, you guys. And if you're working on an applique quilt and you need something brown, which isn't always at the top of the list in all these bundles, this definitely is going to round that out. Lots of neutrals, all in this same texture pattern. So really, really cute. That's a cute white on white. I never really liked the way a heavy white on white feels. It just, I can feel it on there. Anyways. And then we get into some tans and some grays and a black. So yeah, that's the whole bundle. I will snap out a couple pictures for you guys so you can really see it. Okay guys, so that is this fat quarter bundle. I'm super excited to be adding it to my stash. In fact, I think I'm gonna have to add it to my Lori bins here because they're looking, you remember last time I divided them and now I have spots to put stuff. So it's still Riley Blake, right? I can definitely mix it in. So I'm gonna throw these into my bins here and let's see. Let's go. Oh, you guys, I guess I must fold my fat quarters the wrong way to make them fit in these bins. This is going to be, I don't know, going to be taller. Maybe it'll be floppy. We'll see. Maybe I could get 3 if I did that. Ooh, maybe I learned something today. Maybe I have a new way to organize here. Let's see what happens. Ooh, probably not 3. Probably not 3. Okay, well, it was worth a try. I will refold these so that they fit in my bins better because I needed to fold something again, right? I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video. I love getting to share with you the things that I find. If you've got any great deals and steals, let me know. I'd love to hear what you've found in your area or other places online that maybe I haven't heard about. If you enjoy watching these unboxing videos or any of my tutorials, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.